Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Cloud Strife from the new Final Fantasy. Now, we're just going to make this kind of like an illustrative style, so it's not going to be super realistic or super cartoony, kind of like a little cross in between. So, to start off with this, we're going to begin with his eyes. So, I'm going to start right here on my paper, and I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of go down like this. And then I'm going to make a little diagonal line right here, and then kind of like a little curved line like this. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up. Then right here, I'm going to do kind of the same thing, draw a little line, kind of at a diagonal. I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve and then come back so we can kind of fit the nose in there. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down and then over. Then I'm going to add a little curved line inside each one, and then just add a little pupil in there. Now, down here, I'm just going to add a little curved line for the mouth. And then starting right by the eye, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down. It's going to kind of come to a point, and then it's just going to kind of curve back up here. Now, we want to make the hair, and his hair is pretty big. So the first thing is right in here, I'm going to draw a long line that goes down and then comes back up. Then I'm going to make another one that goes down and comes up here. Little one right there. Then I'm going to make a long one that kind of comes up and curves over. Right up here, I'm going to make a little letter M. And then I'm going to draw his hair down here, and then it's going to come up. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little curved line for an ear. And then right over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and I'm going to put a couple little spikes on it. I'm going to curve it up and then down here. And then right over here, I'm going to add a line that goes out and comes back. And then one up here that goes up and down, and then just have a few kind of little spikes all over here. Then I'm going to add a little line right in there. Then I'm going to give them some little eyebrows, just like this. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line to here, and then a couple little curved lines, and then a little line that just kind of curves around to here. Now, for his body, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. Make a little line that goes up and down, and I'm going to curve it over. Now, right here, he's got this little shoulder kind of plate on here, so I'm going to make a little curved line. And then inside of here, I'm just going to kind of put these kind of little rounded rectangle shapes. Then I'm going to put a little curve on each one so they kind of look like they're cylindered. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line in between here. Then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, over, and up. Now for his arm, I'm just going to draw two lines that go down. And then I'm going to kind of bring them out just a little bit. Going to make a little rectangle shape right here. And then I'm going to make a couple little smaller ones right in here just for some details. Make two little diagonal lines that go out, and then another kind of longer rectangle shape. Now for this hand, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for the thumb. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to have a couple little bumps on here. And I'm going to add a little line on the top of each finger. Then I'm just going to curve this to here. Now, starting here on his belt, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and up. The little line right down the center. I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then comes to here, and that's just going to curve around. Another one that goes down, and it's just going to run right along the bottom. Then I'm just going to add two little lines to just go right down the center of it. Now he's got these suspenders on, so I'm going to draw a line up here and then two lines over here. And a little curved line right there. Now right up here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. Then a line that's just going to kind of go up. It's going to come down, and it's just going to curve to here. And add an extra little line right there. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, curves, and then comes down. Little oval shape. And then a little line that goes up, over, and then down. Another line that goes up, over, and then down for part of the glove. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes like this. It's going to curve and have another one on top for the thumb. Little line right there. Then I'm going to have another little line right there. Now, for his big sword, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out like this at an angle. Straight across and then down like this for the handle. Then I'm going to add just a little kind of rectangle shape at the end here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a couple little lines for some details on the blade. And then starting right here, I'm just going to kind of pick up my marker, and I'm just going to kind of figure out where that line is going to come for a sword. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then kind of in, and kind of out and in again for his pants. Line across, I'm just going to kind of add a few little kind of crazy lines there. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, and then a few more kind of crazy lines just to kind of make his pants look a little bit baggy at the bottom. On his boots, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, down, and then up and down again, kind of like an M. Curve this line and bring it to here. And then bring this line over. Make a line that kind of curves up, comes around, and then down for his boot. It's going to go over and up. I'm going to do that little M shape right here in the front this time. Draw a little line that goes over and up, over and up. Little line that goes down, it's going to kind of curve around, and it's going to curve up to here. Then I'm just going to draw a little line right along the bottom of each boot, kind of show where the tread is going to be. And then just add a couple little lines in here for the tread. Then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves down here, and then one that's just going to go straight down here, so it kind of looks like there's a zipper, and then you just want to add some little lines onto it. Then I'm just going to add a little line that's going to curve up here and then down, and then one that's just going to kind of curve around here. Draw two little lines going down the front of his pants. And then I'm going to just kind of continue this blade down a little bit. Then it's really big, so I'm going to go over and then just kind of bring it up like this. Then I'm just going to kind of jump over this and just kind of draw the rest of the blade to there. Then on the blade, I'm going to make kind of like a little light triangle shape and then a line that's just going to go right up to here. So now we just want to kind of come in here and add a few little details on here. I'm going to add like a little square up here on his shoulder plate, add a few little circles onto his gloves. I'm going to add some bumps for his fingers up here. Put a few little lines onto his hair, just for some detail, kind of put them all over. You can add some kind of long little skinny lines going right down his shirt for some texture. And there you go. There is your drawing of Cloud Strife from Final Fantasy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.